Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I'm going to show you a design of a one Kanal house at DHA Phase 7. This house is designed for Mr. Kamal 1 and I've already designed his house previously. This is the second house now in DHA Phase 7. So we're going to start from the exterior. It's basically a modern house as we will go through its exterior and interior. So here you can see the exterior. This is the front elevation, if you will. And you can see there's basically, it's a very modern kind of and a simple house. But mostly you can see that it's more of a composition rather than my earlier design, which you might have seen, which were more of the Spanish look, if you will. But this is a modern house. And basically, as you can see here, there's a small patio on the first floor. Here at the back is the servant quarter with the staircase. And there's also a second entrance to the house. Other than the main entrance, there's one on the side, right under the staircase, which you can see now here. So, now we're here at the main entrance of the house. So basically 4 cars can be parked, 2 right there and 2 behind these. Parking for 4 cars in the small green area. So now we enter into the house. Based on the requirement of the client, this drawing room is not on the ground floor. That was my suggestion as well. So here, the best area usually is taken by the drawing room. But I have proposed a lounge which will have the view of the front lawn. So now we will move into the lounge on ground floor. Now this is a lounge, there's a seating area and the dining area. And it has a window viewing the front lawn, as you can see. So the best part is given to the lounge rather than the drawing room. So you come back into the lobby, and here at the secondary entrance next to it, you can see the powder room. So from the lounge or even from the drawing, you can come down into this powder room, which is under the staircase. And this is here on your left, you can see the second entry to the house. So now coming back to the lobby again. There you can see also the picture of the owner here on the left. Now from here next to the lounge, here next to and close to the staircase is the kitchen, the main kitchen of the house. And this is a modern kitchen, American kitchen. And you can see here, it's all embedded within the walls. This is the design of the kitchen. And next to the kitchen is the grease kitchen. This is the main kitchen. And now we'll move on to the grease kitchen. And which also, to enter into this main kitchen, you can come through the grease kitchen, which has a door. This is the grease kitchen. It has a door coming from the outside, from where the cook and the servants can come in. So we'll go back again to the lobby. And here now on the ground floor, after we have just visited the lounge, kitchen, grease kitchen, and the 2 beds. Now we enter the master bed. This is the master bed on the ground floor. And there's a huge walk-in closet or dressing room if you want. This is a huge dressing room with there's wardrobes all around. And it has a big, huge center space. Usually most of the dressings are very crampy, so based on the requirement of the client, I've given a huge, which I also prefer if it was my house. Anyways, this is the master bath next to it. It has a huge vanity and a huge shower area and a wall-mounted WC. You can see this on your right is the shower area with a glass. Coming back to this huge dressing room. So this was the master bed on the ground floor, and it is next to the lounge. Here you can coming back to the lobby again, and we move on into the second bed of the house on the ground floor. This is the second bed of the house. This is the dressing room, and next to the dressing room is the bath. Again, there's a huge vanity, the mirror. There's this shower area and the WC. We're coming now, we've taken the whole round of the ground floor. So we've seen the lounge, the kitchen, the grease kitchen, 2 beds, and 1 powder on the ground. Now we move up to the first floor. There's the staircase. And as you come up on the stairs, on your left, as soon as I've given the drawing room. Now here, this way, on the first floor, the guests will come on the first floor, this formal area, and they also have a view of the front lawn. But the major view would be with the lounge of the house, where every day, which will be used almost every day. Now here, this is a small balcony with the drawing room. Or this can also be used by the family members who are living on the first floor. So here again, we go to these bedroom. We have this 3 bed here. Let's go to bed 1, which is also a master bed on the first floor. It has a terrace right in front, from where you can view the front lawn, of course. This is the terrace. It has a kind of a veranda as well, as you can see. And then this open area. There's the veranda where you can sit. And now we move on to the dressing room. And next to it is the bath. Again, it has a huge vanity and a shower area and a WC. I missed the mirror here, sorry about that, on the vanity. Okay, coming back to the main lobby area of the first floor, and you can see opposite to this is the bed number 2. So we've seen the drawing, and this is 1 bed, and this is the second bed we're visiting now. It has this dressing room, and it has a bath next to it. Again, a huge vanity, a shower area on the left, glass with a glass, and a WC. Okay, now we visited basically a drawing on the first floor and 2 beds. Coming back again to the lobby, you can see that bed we have already seen. Now we move on to, on the first floor, we have a small kitchen as well. And this kitchen is connected to this patio on the first floor. So this would be an extension to this kitchenette. You could have barbecue if you want. And this is finally the 3rd bed on the first floor. This is also a real good size, and it also has a huge dressing room. And we move on to its washroom with this shower, a huge vanity shower and a WC. Okay, this almost now we have seen the drawing room, 3 beds, and 1 kitchenette on the first floor. So Now we move on to this small patio on the first floor. And this brings us to the complete view of the interior. So we left with the servant quarters on the first floor. So we move on to that here from the back when we come up the stairs, which we had seen from the exterior view. There are two rooms with two beds each and a washroom in between. So this completes the whole animation. And now I hope you liked it, and please leave your comments. And thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.